Hey, hello and welcome to a quick summer video. Today I want to clean these black forged wheels on my Tesla Model 3 Performance. You would say like, yeah, black wheels, why do you need to clean them so much? I mean, they look black, they look totally clean. Well, if you're a car enthusiast, a tire enthusiast or a wheel enthusiast like me, then this here, as you can see here, this is unacceptable. That's right, the U of unacceptable. I want to remove this dust, this brake dust, also here on the top. You have here on these indents, it's very dirty. So today I'm going to use my favorite wheel cleaner from SONAX. See, SONAX Felgenstar. And what I like about it, it's readily available. Sometimes I buy it from Amazon, but often I just buy it from Aldi, if they have it on sale there on Lidl. And what I like about it, it's safe, it's acid free, it's cheap and effective and easy to use. You just spray it on and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes, and that's just about it. And then your wheel comes off almost completely clean. So let's see how it performs on these black wheels. So let's spray these wheels. What I really like is that it has a nice mist spray. So you don't need to use too much of the product. You can also get deeper into the alloy wheels, into the Felgen. Like for example here on the brakes. And you can easily spray all around the wheels. And it has this nice pinkish color, so you can see exactly where you spray it. Also go here on the edges here. And for 6, 7, sometimes 8 euro per bottle, you can't do anything wrong. 3 to 5 minutes, I'll let this sit here. This is the cheaper SONAX wheel cleaner. It doesn't have a work indicator, a fancy one that turns red, where you can see the brake dust breaking down. But nevertheless, it's good and it gets the job done. I'll do the other tires and I'll see you back in 3 minutes. So all the tires have been sprayed. In the front, in the back. I really like how that looks. You can see completely, especially on these black wheels, you can see where the product is. Very nice. Let me know how often do you clean your wheels, especially in the winter, but also in the summer. Yeah, I like to do this at least a few times during the summer. Maybe with every car wash. It just gets, I know, it takes the whole detailing and the washing to another level. I love to do this in the summer also. Let me know your favorite brand. I'll get now the hose, we'll rinse them off and then we'll look at the final result together. Sehr schön. So let's rinse off these wheels well. Sehr schön. Even have a little bit of rainbow action here in the summer. And also make sure that you go here inside the Felgen in the other wheels to remove all the remaining wheel cleaner. But yeah, since this is this SONAX Felgenstar and it's non-acid, it's safe on all types of alloy wheels and painted wheels, lacqueerde Felgen, or like mine, the black ones. So that's why I also really like to use it, because yeah, even if you don't know what you're doing, you can't do anything wrong. Sehr schön. Let's continue and clean the car. So the car is back, we've let the wheels dry. And let's take a look at the final result. Yeah, it looks very good. It looks very clean. I can see the nice matte satin finish of these Tesla wheels. I really like it. To be quite honest, this SONAX Felgenstar is not the strongest wheel cleaner. And I think here on these black wheels it's running against its limitations. Maybe also because I did it completely contactless. Probably I should have used let's say a wet microfiber towel or a brush. So conclusion is it's a good wheel cleaner, but if you just let it sit there and expect them to magically remove all the dust from your wheels, then that's not going to happen. You need some sort of form of agitation to get the product to work even better. Anyways, I like to use this one a lot when I'm doing a regular car wash. So for example, I first wash the car. And then at the end I spray the alloy wheels, and then with a microfiber washcloth, which is already wet, I go inside the blades of the wheels, and that's how I usually do it, and then it gets completely clean. Yeah, whether you need to spend €20 on a wheel cleaner or €7 on a wheel cleaner from an A brand, that's up to you. I think spending not too much money, but getting it from a safe A brand is actually the most important thing. Because then, regardless of what happens to your wheels, you're sure that you're not going to be destroying them. Because the cheapest wheel cleaners I've tried, they're very aggressive. There's not a lot of research and development, and you can really damage your wheels. And there's plenty of videos about it on the internet. Let me know what's your favorite alloy wheel brand. I hope you found it a nice video, and I hope to see you again in one of my future videos. Have a great summer!